again, spoiler alert, but I wanted to show it because it just came in the mail today. This is the January 2018 Heartfelt Love Notes Paper Pumpkin Kit. And I wanted to open it up live because it's fun to do. And you guys can see what's inside of here and have some fun. Because normally I do videos with these inside the She Makes Club. SheMakes.club is where I use a lot of this. But you get a Stampin' Spot ink pad, a stamp set every single month. It gets shipped right to your door. The shipping's included in the price. And all of the stuff to make either cards or there's all kinds of different things that they do month to month. This particular one, I think it has 16 cards and envelopes that you can create and make, and they're so cute, and it's everything that you need. So the ribbon, the adhesive, everything. So I just wanted to show this off. Maybe we'll put one more card together really quickly tonight. So for those of you who wanted to open yours and be surprised, sorry, but for those of you who, when you become a subscriber to Paper Pumpkin, you can go in and get like refills and different things, which is really awesome. Oh my gosh, this is way cuter than it even looked in the picture. Okay, the picture's adorable, but again, you get adhesive. There's little kind of enamel dots in there as well. There's these adhesive dots. There's all the glitter and shimmer ribbon that you need. Michelle, the She Makes Club, if you go to shemakes.club, it's not a .com, it's shemakes.club. It's $19.97 a month, and we provide Cricut tutorials, live workshops. We do SVG and Cricut Design Space cut files every month. We do a giveaway every month for members. We do all kinds of fun things, and a lot more planned and coming in 2018 as well. Okay, so, oh my gosh, these are so cool. Look at these cute little, they're like pocket cards. So you could put like a little extra treat inside of here. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, that's what like the ribbon is like to tie off, right? Okay. These are adorable. And there's two different styles. So there's this black and white stripe. Okay. And then there is this gold foil with pink and black heart. Oh my gosh. And then craft envelopes. Plenty of craft envelopes to go with them. And then I guess these are little note cards that you can like inserts for the inside. I haven't read the instructions yet. Here's the little for the stamping, like little extra embellishments. Here's what you would stamp your sentiments on. So it comes with sentiments that say be mine, XOXO, from, there's like an envelope with hearts coming out of it. This one says sending hugs and kisses to you. You make my heart happy, to love, and then happy Valentine's Day. And then there's also vellum hearts and little tags too that are included. So they're all die cut and ready to go. So this is a great way to really like sit down and make a whole bunch of cards really quick and easy and have some fun with it. Okay, so, and it also does come with the instructions that you can, you know, go outside of the box. So look, step 1, step 2, 3, and 4. Like that easy, and then your cards are done. Okay, so again, you can visit aboverubiescrafts.com. You click on product lines, right? Shop product lines. And at the bottom of product lines, it says Paper Pumpkin. Okay, so that's where you would go for that. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help. Yeah, so easy. It's so easy. The colors are so great too. All right. Actually want to like do something cute with this. So we're going to do something kind of cute with this. I'm not going to follow the instructions because this heart isn't supposed to use these vellum hearts, but I'm going to use these vellum hearts on this heart. Yeah, that makes sense. You know what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to figure out exactly how I want it to go on here. I want to use one of these guys. Oh, these have adhesive on them too. That's cool. That makes it super easy. Super, super easy. Let's do this. You do it high enough that it doesn't cover the opening here. We're going to do the heart there. I'm just going to take, it does come with adhesive, but I'm just going to use some of my snail and adhere it down. And put the vellum on there. And then I'm going to use one of these guys, which does not does not have adhesive on it. We're going to stamp on it though. And then that's going to go over top like this. So I want to do the You Make My Heart Happy though. Oh, no, let's do Sending Hugs and Kisses. Yeah, Sending Hugs and Kisses to You. And when you first join or subscribe, they even send you a little paper pumpkin acrylic block. So this acrylic block will work with all the stamps they would ever send you in your paper pumpkin kit, which is really nice. All right, and we're going to go ahead and use the Rich Razzleberry that came in the kit. I just have to cut it open because the adhesive on there. Hi, Mary. Thanks for popping in. Hi, Tammy. Oh, no worries. This was like a surprise thing to come in and do this, and I cannot seem to get it cut open. Normally, I just do a recorded Tuesday tutorial, but I was like, you know what? Let's do a live Tuesday tutorial tonight, and then I'll post it on YouTube later. We're getting everything all set up. I can't wait to do, I cannot get this open. I can't wait to do a tour of the craft room with you guys really soon. I kind of actually have two separate craft spaces, which is really nice. One that's like sort of down and in the family space so I can be working and be part of the family still. But then I have one kind of cave where I can go down and record and have quiet and focus. I cannot get this open for the life of me. I'm like ready to switch roles and go to do a different color. There it goes. Oh, that was stressful. I could not get that to open. This is Rich Razzleberry. I think. Yes, Rich Razzleberry. Sending Hugs and Kisses to You. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm going to use a dimensional on here. Even though, again, oh no, it came with dimensionals. And that's the great part, is like it comes with adhesive. Like it comes with stuff, like you're not using everything in your craft room. Everything is included. It's such an amazing value to just get sent. Like it's a surprise every month. Like I didn't know what was in it. Okay, it has a little punch out here to put the ribbon in, which I'm totally going to do. I think the ribbon's all pre-cut. Or it's not. Okay, it's not pre-cut and I just ripped it. So there's that situation. It's alright. I'm just going to angle cut it. I don't know how much I need for this. But there's already a little thing there. So I can just feed it through. Knot it. And make a bow. Which makes my life really easy instead of trying to figure out how to like actually attach a bow. I can just tie it right on there. Sorry if that was too low, guys. Didn't mean to take it out of camera view. Alright, I'm just going to trim off the edges. I probably shouldn't have cut it this long, but I'll conserve for the next ones. I end up not using everything because I don't make them all the same way, even though they're designed to make like sets. I never make them all the same way. But I am going to use a couple of these little enamel dots on here because they're way too cute not to use. 1, 2, 3. Right on there. And then, let's see, should we use one of the interior pieces? I feel like we should. Oh, you can actually tie the whole card shut. I don't want to do that, though. You can actually tie the whole thing shut because there's a little punch out here. I don't want to do that, though. Even though you can. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. I'm going to cover that. I'm actually going to cover that little hole so that it's not... You see how I did that? And I better slide that down a little bit more though if I'm going to do that. Okay, so because there's another little punch out hole there, I slid that down and slid it over instead of centering it so that it covers the fact that it could have gone all the way through. Just how I decided to do it. Alright, and then on the inside, I'm going to do, You Make My Heart Happy, and I'm actually going to do this. I'm going to do both of them on the inside. Yeah, it would be so cute with a gift card. Absolutely. You could even use like hedgehogs and other things on here, like the little hedgehog giving the flower. Like you could have it. Okay, guys, seriously, that's what's going to happen right now. Where's the hedgehog with the flower? Where's my hedgehog? Oh, here it is. We're going to grab a different set. Totally. Forget these. These ones. Hedgehog. Early Espresso. Hi, Barbara. Thanks for popping on. Hi, Jennifer. Yep, we're totally making like multiple cards and mix matching things. Okay, so I'm going to just kind of guesstimate. There. That should work. Need more adhesive. I'm totally fine with him like just kind of popping out, like not, I don't want all of him out, so I'm just going to the edge. Look how cute that is. It's like a little surprise, like adorable. Okay, so then there's that. I want to cover this. Come on. Sorry, being a little bit crazy about it. I want it straight. I still want it straight. All right, there it goes. Now it's in there straight. And then we'll do this guy that says, you make my heart happy. And we'll do it right here. Yeah. Perfect. Well, I mean, it's not perfect, but you know what I mean. Okay, so we made really two very cute, fun little cards tonight. I love how it like pops out. Isn't that adorable? You could even color this in a little bit. Let me grab a little bit of color on here. Might as well, since we have it. Use it on there, right? I'm just coloring in some of the little like fur spots just to get the color run off. So cute. All right, guys, thanks so much for popping in and joining me tonight. I hope you guys had an amazing, amazing day and you're having a good night. And whoops, didn't mean to knock you. Sorry about that. Thanks so much for sharing and giving little hearts and likes and commenting and being here with us tonight. If you want to see more live workshops and tutorials, I definitely suggest you come over and check out our shemakes.club and have some fun with us over there. We're doing some really great workshops and classes this upcoming year, and we're just going to have a ton of fun. So I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the moments. Bye.